grab a stand off of our wall hangers. This one. What? Threw a breaker bar on here. I was like, oh, there's no resistance. Wonder why. It's loose. Oh, that definitely wasn't tight. If this is professional enough to hold this heavy thing up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's meant to be. Oh my God. Okay. Nasty. Nasty. I definitely put a bunch of grease on these too, not long ago. Can't see. You can see the back side looks pretty darn clean. You can still see the grease on there. Front side, disgusting. Even the water is coming in from the hub. Just nastiness. All right, let's get this out. There we go. I see some clean gear oil. That's insane. Yes. Oh yeah. All right, let me show you how I'm getting these clips out. I want to use this on, but it has this little hook on the end, which is now getting a little busted up, but got a little hook, so I'm able to get it in here right behind the clip and push it out to get this in right here at the end of the clip. Perfect. You can see it's coming right out. All right, so I may have messed this up a little bit. So what happened was I had this in the press. I was trying to drive the new caps in. I guess the one got sideways and it got wedged. I didn't see it was actually bending the ear in. Blew a chunk out here. The whole bore's messed up with this, but so I had to get a new shaft. It's a junkyard shaft, obviously. Both sides are good, but the U-joint's kind of trash. Doesn't have any play, but obviously it looks rough. The seal is like gone. I'm gonna put this inner shaft on that stub shaft that's half assembled, and then I'm gonna use the other side as a spare. But I'm gonna show you how I do this. I actually learned this trick after messing up that one. Instead of trying to hit the caps through both ways, the idea is to drive inner down, and that you're keeping the cross stationary. So the force is going into your vise here. It's not tight, it's just holding it in place. And then you're driving the shaft down, the cap out. And then this cap will come out, flip it over, and do the same thing. That way you're not pushing caps in and then out, it's just out, out. So I'll show you how to do this. Not too bad actually. All right, now flip her over. Do the same thing this way. Nice. That's that. Okay, I just watched a really awesome video from Tom Woods Drive Shafts. Totally recommend for anyone trying to do any U-joint work. But yeah, I'm gonna get this side together and we'll see if these tips helped. Well, first of all, be clean. That helps a lot. So take off these caps. Feed this in. Double check your caps good. No needle bearings fell over. Uh-oh. Look at that. Okay, we're good. Whew. Actually looking pretty good so far. Q-tips. Great for the garage. Have a little dirt on that. Get my ears back on here. Already half deaf. Oh yeah. You have to call that mint. Thank God for YouTube, right? This one in first. I learned this one from the woods too. We got this stiffy, right? So they say to tap right on this like shoulder of the one you were just hitting in. Look at that. Mint. Oh, she's ready to go back in. The clips are all good. Everything's good here. Clean out your tubes. Oh yeah. So what I have here is just some rebar and it feels like a shock washer or something. I put a thin layer of grease on this side so it can slide into the seal, not damage it. Did the same thing on this seal that goes in here. I cleaned this out. Put a little grease in there too. So now I'll try and get this in. So I cleaned this up a little bit, cleaned the inside here. There we go. Shit, missing something. This has to go inside there. So this goes behind the unit bearing hub. Now, since I'm a good boy, I think I will torque these. Maybe I should torque the brake caliper bolts this time too. But I also had this as a spare in the Jeep, so it's taken apart. I don't remember what the deal is with it. This one looks good. I have to clean these up and then I'll throw this in. All right, so I cleaned up the washers and stuff. Now I just need to grease this guy. And this guy. Feels good. Did anyone else notice that sitting there? Good Lord, guess I didn't drink enough coffee. That's staying there.